Hey there, fellow Disney dreamers. We're bringing you some surprising insights from the magical world of Disney cruises. Are you boarding the Disney Wonder on the upcoming Australian cruise? Well, brace yourself, because today, we're diving deep into 17 items that Disney has put on the not-so-magical list. Some of these might just leave you scratching your head. Ever thought of flying a drone over the Disney Wonder to capture that perfect sunset shot? Or maybe serenading fellow passengers with your guitar? Think again. Let's uncover these unexpected no-nos. 1. Remote control devices. First up, drones. As mesmerizing as aerial shots might be, drones, along with our sea cars, helicopters, and planes, are a strict no-go. Disney's all about safety, and these gadgets might just disrupt the magic. 2. Flowers and agriculture. Planning a romantic surprise with a bouquet. Remember, external flowers and agriculture are off limits. But hey, Disney's floral arrangements? Simply enchanting. 3. Inflatable pools. Yes, the onboard pools can get a tad crowded, but inflatable pools aren't your escape route. They're banned, but trust me, there are plenty of other ways to cool off. 4. Open flames. Candles and incense might be romantic, but on a ship, there's a fire waiting to happen. Let's keep the sparks to the fireworks show, shall we? 5. Blenders. Dreaming of whipping up your own frozen cocktail while gazing at the horizon. It's a lovely thought, but blenders are a no. Leave the mixing to Disney's expert bartenders. 6. Bottle sterilizers and warmers. Traveling with a baby. Disney's got your back, while personal bottle sterilizers and warmers aren't allowed. Disney provides alternatives to ensure your little one's needs are met. 7. Irons and steamers. Want to look crisp for the captain's dinner. While personal irons and steamers are off limits, Disney offers impeccable laundry services to keep you looking sharp. 8. Electrical appliances. Extension cords, coffee makers, electric blankets. These might be essentials at home, but on the Disney Wonder, they're a no-go. But with Disney's top-notch amenities, you won't miss them. 9. Metal detectors. Treasure hunting sounds fun, especially with pirates around. But metal detectors, they're not part of the adventure. 10. Streaming devices. While binge watching might be tempting, devices like Roku or Apple TV need to stay home. With Disney's entertainment lineup, trust me, you won't miss them. 11. Diving equipment. The ocean beckons, but while snorkeling is a yes, deep-sea diving gear doesn't make the cut. 12. Food and beverage equipment. Rice cookers, coffee makers, and the like. Might be kitchen essentials, but on the Disney Wonder, they're not on the guest list. 13. Inflatable mattresses. Comfort is paramount, but inflatable mattresses, they're not part of the Dream Suite. 14. Musical instruments. Unless it's a magical serenade from Ariel. Personal musical instruments aren't part of the onboard symphony. 15. Over-door hangers. They might be handy, but on the Disney Wonder, they're not hanging around. 16. Hoverboards. Walking's the magical way to go. On the Disney Wonder, hoverboards, not so much. 17. Sports equipment. Golf clubs might get a pass for those golf enthusiasts, but most other sports gear stays ashore. Were you as surprised as I was? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And if you've got any unique Disney cruise stories, we're all ears. Thanks for joining me on this magical revelation. If you enjoyed this journey, give this video a thumbs up, share with fellow Disney enthusiasts. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more enchanting tales from Disney Dreamer. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep cruising, and always believe in the magic.